Surah Mulk, the 67th chapter of Quran, verses 1 to 11, Blessed is the one in whose hands rests all authority. And he is most capable of everything. He is the one who created death and life in order to test which of you is best in deeds. And he is the Almighty, all-forgiving. He is the one who created 7 heavens, one above the other. You will never see any imperfection in the creation of the most compassionate. So look again, do you see any flaws? Then look again and again, your sight will return frustrated and weary. And indeed, we adorned the lowest heaven with stars like lamps, and made them as missiles for stoning eavesdropping devils, for whom we have also prepared the torment of the blaze. Those who disbelieve in their Lord will suffer the punishment of hell. What an evil destination! When they are tossed into it, they will hear its roaring as it boils over, almost bursting in fury. Every time a group is cast into it, its keepers will ask them, "Did a warner not come to you?" They will reply, "Yes, a warner did come to us, but we denied and said, Allah has revealed nothing. You are extremely astray." And they will lament, "If only we had listened and reasoned, we would not be among the residents of the blaze." And so they will confess their sins. So away with the residents of the blaze.